Have you ever made a terrible decision late at night and then woken up the next morning wondering what was wrong with you? You're not weak. You're not stupid. Your brain was literally broken, and science proves it. For 99% of human history, the sun went down and humans stopped making important decisions. Fire gave dim light. The brain knew night equals rest, not choices. We traded that for electric light, and our brains never got the update. A 2011 study from Duke University found that ego depletion, your brain's decision-making fuel, runs out through the day. By late evening, your prefrontal cortex, the part that says bad idea, is running on empty. Meanwhile, the impulsive limbic system, still full of energy. But here's the cruel part. The companies that want your money, the apps, the food delivery, the shopping sites, they all know this. They push their best deals, their most tempting content after 9 p.m. They are targeting your broken brain on purpose. So the fix is simple. Make a rule. No big decisions after 8 p.m., no online shopping, no sending emotional texts, no quitting your job. Let your brain rest. You're not broken, you're just human. And now you know the cheat code. If this helped, subscribe. I drop one of these every week.